Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll be discussing about a Facebook ads successful case studies. So this is basically for a junked car buyer business. Okay, so you can see over here, I'm in their Facebook Business Manager account. So if you see over here, I have run multiple campaigns for them. So I'll be discussing about specifically this campaign. So this is basically a lead campaign, and you can see over here, I have given the lifetime budget for this campaign, $250, and within $250, we have generated 46 leads. So I'm using instant formats with customized questions. So then we have got around 8.8K raise. Our impression was more than 20K, and the cost per lead was $4.78, you know, and amount spent was 220. Okay, so if I edit this campaign, then you can see over here in this campaign, I'm using the campaign objective as leads because I want to generate leads. Then I have created two ad sets or two ad groups in this campaign. So one is for remarketing audience and another one is for cold audience. And in the cold audience, I'm targeting the USA gender as male and age range from 33 to 60, but I'll not be showing my targeting because there are some NDS. So if I click on the remarketing uh, ad group or ad set, then you can see over here as the conversion location, I have selected instant forms, and this is our Facebook page, and performance goal as maximize number of leads. Okay, then our budget was lifetime budget. Okay, I'm not scheduling any ads because I want to get leads anytime, anywhere. Okay. Then you can see over here as the remarketing audiences, I am using 25% video viewers last 1 year, page engagers last 1 year, people who clicked my page, sorry, people who liked my page last 1 year, post engagers last 1 year, and Instagram engagers last 1 year. Okay, and I'm not using any locations is gender detail targeting as I'm using the marketing audiences. Okay, and as the placement, I'm using only Facebook and Instagram. Okay, and if I go to the ad section, then uh, you can see this is the video and this is the ad creatives. Okay, so in the cold audience, I'll not be able to show the audience targeting over here. But if I show you the stats and just go to the ad set, then you can see over here, cold audience is performing better than the remarketing audience. Okay. So in the remarketing audience, we have got 14 leads, and from the cold audience, we have generated 32 leads. Okay. That means it is performing well. So what I'll do, I will scale this ad set budget. Okay, and I'll see this uh, ad set for a couple of weeks or maybe couple of months, and then if I see this cold audience is outperforming this one, then I'm gonna pause this remarketing ad set. Okay, so it is dependent on so many factors like cost per leads. You can see over here the cost per leads for remarketing audience is pretty lower than the cold audience. That's why remarketing audience is important, because you might get a low amount of lead, like low number of leads, but the cost per lead is cheaper for remarketing audiences. So I would suggest you to use remarketing audience as well as cold audience. Then you can decide which one you to choose, because it's all about A/B testing. You cannot estimate anything. So what you need to do, you need to test everything, and after testing, you will definitely get a winning ad set or winning ads, then you can work on this or scale them. Okay, so this is the goal actually. So yeah, then if I go to the ads section, then you can see I have selected this one. So in each ad sets, I'm using one video ads. Okay, so yeah, if you actually for this client, I had one video. That's why I'm running one video. But if you have multiple videos or multiple images, then you can try uh, both of these options. Actually, you can try more than one ad creatives in one ad sets. Then you can see which ads are performing well. Okay, and on the basis of performance, you can take the further decision. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can generate uh, Facebook instant from leads. This is actually the quality leads because I'm using the customized question at the end, because we're not only generating phone number, email, city, uh, full name. We are also gathering some additional or customized question for their services, for junk or wire services. So this is how you can generate leads for your junk car business. So yeah, if you want to advertise your junk car service or junk car business through Facebook ads, then yeah, you can consider our services, because we have just shown our portfolio or our case studies that we have worked for this niche. Okay, so you can see we have couple of campaigns running, and we have generated more than 100 plus leads. So this one 46, this one 36, this one 30, this one 29, then this one 29. So more than 150 leads for this business using Facebook ads. Okay, so yeah, if you want to uh, advertise for your junker services using Facebook ads, then you can consider running no, or you can consider taking our services. We have provided our WhatsApp number. We have given our email in the uh, description box, or you can directly communicate with us or directly call us. We have provided our phone number as well. So yeah, hopefully you have liked our video. That's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.